You've got many questions about what certainly befell to you in the last years, and why so many of you felt stressed or lost for some time. The reason for this is that the ascension method became activated on Gaia, after which you had been to go through an extreme cleaning process before entering the lightbody process well. However, since you had been approaching the level of decreased consciousness that changed into required for the old paradigm to be dissolved, and consequently, your actual selves couldn't enter into this process. This is why you've been left harassed or disoriented for a while. We advise you that this would take place while we added the lightbody procedure to you. We also state that when it takes place, you may have no preference, however, to permit move of most of what currently holds you back from being your authentic self, your old paradigm self, and start experiencing life in a totally different way than what you are used to now. May also I remain focused as my highest self, so I may also truly pay attention, see, feel, and know the divine messages that wish to come through me. May actually my direction be illuminated, so I may actually walk forward courageously, understand, unprotected, guided, and led toward my highest fact and highest quality for myself and all and sundry I come in touch with, whether or not I have interaction with them or not. May also I be a lighthouse shining within the dark, illuminating the path to help others discover their way home, so we may actually co-create and collectively collaborate on consciously creating those new stories may also appear overseas to you currently. However, that is completely understandable. It takes time for new experiences to come to be familiar ones. Have you ever had a second of such excessive happiness that you felt like your heart changed into going to burst? And what if that feeling didn't have, however, alternatively go stronger and more potent? That is what's going on to humanity proper now. One of the most common things humans have been experiencing is a strange sensation in among their eyebrows, the spot in their third eye. It could be described as a heat, tingly feeling, or it might even feel like energy is walking through your body. Those sensations are caused by people elevating their vibrations. There may be a mass transition of souls taking place. The message is to prepare for loss to transition disappear. As we fully complete this quantum bounce to the new time area, coordinate for the collective recognition. We actually return to the future in which the invasions and enslavement of humanity didn't take place. It's a timeline system and lots of committed work for many. This is mainly concerning the ones related with any humanistic agendas, but also the one souls which have chosen to maintain their journey someplace else. This also includes false prophets, those that were compromised and lonely working on behalf of the bad alien timetable groups. Fake spiritual and spiritual belief dissolve now. In order we hook up with all of you through the hearts of one's frequencies of 2022. We know it has not been easy, We know that the terrible polarity of the decreased dimensional realms has taken a significant toll on each one in all you, for my part, as well as the whole collective. This is because negative polarity in life pressure draining, and this, too, becomes something that humanity had to see and enjoy more directly, more actively, and more decisively in these ascension times. For you are rising up through and beyond all of the old 3D tethers that have held you back, that have held you down, and that have incarcerated you on this 3D realm of illusion, all through this very old, a lot denser age and separation cycle. Decreased dimensional realms, which include Heart, has been on this final world age and cycle, require existence force to perform. The entirety in creation calls for life force to move, to breathe, and to stay, and so too, this has been proper of your 3D Earth and lives of stories. I will see from my deliver their age passing day more humans getting conscious and looking for the answers about what has been occurring right then. Humanity is ready to move to the following step of their evolution to the ascension. Nothing can stop this technique. Gaia acquired enough energies for the transition from 3D to 5D. You are leaving the matrix, which turned into created long term ago to keep you being stuck there. The Dark Lords lost their control over those who are awoke, each being turned into born to be free and happy. Your illusionary world is cracking down and falling inside, which became created with the motive of retaining humankind thoughts controlled.